Algorand's EMA10, by and large, shows a genuinely descending pattern in an unpretentious manner. As far as Algo support floor, it most certainly in a real sense is presently 29 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Algo falls 16.33% in 7 days, sort of kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Algorand explicitly for the most part is buy and buy esteemed at 19 cents 06 January 2024. In this video, we will really walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and entirely all plans and purposes, attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part especially clarified some things, facts, what explicitly in every practical sense. Is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Algorand, generally is Algo a by and large wise venture, or so they fundamentally thought, which especially is very critical. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Algo specialized examination, by and large, let us fundamentally basically discuss the pretty truly current economic situations, which especially is genuinely critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there most certainly essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in an especially kind of significant manner. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $58,832,899,756 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly sort of has a strength of 16.33%, kind of additional appearance. How market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there generally for the most part, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole cryptographic money market to $1,643,998,096,525 in a genuinely enormous manner. Which fundamentally basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, which especially is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value decline of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, which truly is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, showing how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Sol, the kind of genuinely local coin of Solana, generally is somewhere near 6.74, and as of now exchanging at $94.12 in an in every way that really matters, exceptionally enormous way. Furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, exhibiting how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they outrageously thought. These occasions basically show that the market essentially generally is going in a kind of descending heading for especially present moment, which most certainly in a real sense is very huge. As of now, an especially certainly broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of huge manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction quite the most part are significant specialized pointers used to sort of recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers certainly explicitly become commonly genuinely more lovely dynamic and fundamentally explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition really is a level at which vendors entirely become move decently commonly dynamic and basically sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that Algorand's EMA10 basically shows a very descending pattern, which truly is very huge. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The really current Algorand cost in every practical sense is 19 cents, with an exchanging volume of $60,970,177 in the by and large beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%. Or so they fundamentally generally thought. Presently, Algo explicitly in a real sense is somewhere near 5.34% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $1,489,396,806 United States dollars, so the really all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $58,832,899,756 in a sort of enormous manner. Algorand Value Examination Algo Cost Investigation for 06 January 2024, inside a kind of day-to-day time period, essentially made sense of underneath, showing how following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The sort of current Algorand cost generally is 19 cents, with an exchanging volume of $60,970,177 in the especially beyond 24 hours. Exhibiting how which for the most part commonly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, or so they truly thought. We utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving exceptionally normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including commonly straightforward moving most certainly really normal, SMA, and remarkable moving most certainly normal, EMA, to sort of especially examine the future development of the Algorand. Showing how Algorand support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. The Algorand certainly has for the most part break all its in a real sense, upholds levels and things by and large, are not looking kind of great for the crypto market, especially further appearance how we utilize genuinely relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and difference, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving all things considered, normal, SMA, and remarkable moving especially normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the Algorand, showing how Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, especially bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively really take Algo cost underneath the critical help level of 29 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. While Algo's Williams %R marker truly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange sort of sign truly is especially commonly conceivable at this reach, sort of in every practical sense. Further appearance how sold the quite local coin of Solana for the most part essentially is somewhere near 6.74 and presently exchanging at $94.12 in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. The Algo United States dollar moving reasonably certainly normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, generally is showing a very in every practical sense, present moment truly sell kind of genuinely signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving beneath, sort of genuinely signal line which by and large means for the most part, generally bears in a real sense are overwhelming on the lookout. Exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value lessening of 0.